Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. As you guys can see, and I'm sure you saw in the last episode, I've currently got these rental dirt bike bars on the Shadow. And I was actually wanting to swap them over. I'll put a picture on the screen just here, kind of the design I wanted to go for. So today I'm going to be taking everything off the handlebars, getting the handlebars off the bike, ready for the new handlebars arriving. I was kind of hoping this video would be a bit longer. Unfortunately, I'm still waiting on the buttons. They haven't arrived. They were supposed to arrive, and they've only just been dispatched, which is great. Thank you, China. But obviously that's the bars on, so I've just decided, save this video will be in another week. I'll just upload it without the buttons. I'll do the buttons just in the next video probably. I'll just show you. Thank you very much for tuning in, everyone who did. I appreciate all the support as always on the channel. I'll see you on the next one.